Hi, I'm Tim Roble, and welcome to another episode of Adventure Athlete. A lot of you follow me on Instagram at adventure.athlete, and 99% of the time you see me out training, I'm wearing something on my head. My number one pick on what I choose to wear now is the SHELTA Hat, and that's what I'm wearing right now. So I'll put this down and we'll kind of take a look at, is this hat everything that a $70 hat should be? Well, one of the things that I really like about it is this hard build brim. It seems to really do a great job even when it's wet, and I train with these things wet throughout the whole summer. I'll get it wet for, a lot of times I'm out in Laughlin and it's 117 degrees. They got the little built-in vents on the side that helps get rid of some of the perspiration, but it is a very quality hat. This little SHELTA back here is a reflector, and what we see here in the back is just a little draw cord that we can pull and make it a little tighter on our head or a little looser, whatever we need. Underneath, you see that we have a nice mesh fabric in there that helps wick moisture away from your head. I do notice on the tag that these are made in China. So your $70 hat is made in China, and is it worth it? I've spent a lot of time in the military, and I spent a lot of time wearing a boonie hat, a sun hat, and for a $25 to $30 surplus hat, I've worn those for years, but I feel that they're a little hotter. So I was looking for lighter colors. I did wear the desert, but even those were a hotter hat than these. Now I wear a hat throughout the year. I wear a hat to keep my head warm also. So I do spend a lot of time in these, and I gotta say the SHELTA hat is probably the best that I've used by far. I now own 5 of these. I have them in different pieces of kit. One in my motorcycle bag, one in my running bag, my mountain bike bag, one in my travel bag, and then one in the truck. And they really, so far, this hat's probably been worn maybe 35, 37 days, and it's holding up real well. And out of those days, it's been wet and been sweat in all of that time. So for a training adventure type hat, I will say that I'll have to rate this a 10 out of a 10, because I really don't know where I would say to improve on this product. Plain and simple, it's just good. It looks somewhat good for what a hat's going to be. For me, I'm really interested in the performance, and it fits the head nice. I can pull it down tight. I can wear this pull strap, unclip it from the back and wear it on the front, and I can put it on my head if it's super windy. Now, I've been out in 25, 30 mile an hour gusts so far, and I haven't even had to use that yet. Just because you can make, with this back band, make the hat fit so nice that it's not an issue. So anyway, that's going to be it for now for my product review. Like I said, 10 out of 10 on the SHELTA hats. They are expensive, but for me, I think if you break it down, I think the quality of this hat, I'll probably get 5 or more years use out of it. So now we're talking more like pennies a day for the investment versus something else. Now I have $5 hats that work just fine, but they're sloppy and they're not as good of a look or a fit and performance as this. One last thing, I will say that the rating on this is like a SPF 50 on the material, so keeps you from getting a sunburn on your head. Anyway, that's going to be it for now. Once again, I appreciate each and every one of you guys for watching my videos, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't hit, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit subscribe, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. Got any questions, hit me up in the comments. For some reason you didn't like the video and you'd like to see something different, let me know down in the comments. I'm Tim Roble. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you here next time.